Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter B. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter B. B is equivalent to the English letter B, in the word baby. Now try to write it with me. B. It's easy to write it. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with B. First, here's the fatha, the pronunciation now will be B. Next this is a kasra, the pronunciation now will be B. And finally, there's a dhamma, it, now pronounced as Bu. Listen again. B. B. Bu. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When B is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be B. Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
بيت
Means house.
ب ي ت بيت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ي ت بيت.
And next.
بحر
Means sea.
ب ح ر بحر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ح ر بحر.
When B is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
B.
Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
بنت
Means girl.
ب ن ت بنت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ن ت بنت.
And next.
بطريق
Means penguin.
ب ط ر ي ق بطريق.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ط ر ري ي ق بطريق.
When B is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be Bu. Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me.
برج
Means tower.
بو ر جي برج.
Now let's join these letters together.
بو ر بر جي.
And next.
برتقالة
Means orange.
بو ر ط ق له.
Now let's join these letters together.
بو ر بر ط ق ها له لا هي برتقالة.
The letter B has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like.
بقرة
Means cow.
ب ق ر هي بقرة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ق بق ر ر هي بقرة.
And next
بذور.
means seeds.
بو ذو و ري بذور.
Now let's join these letters together.
بو ذو و ري بذور.
And next
برق.
means lightning.
ب ر بر قي برق.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ر بر قي برق.
And next
bank,
means bank.
ب ني كي
bank,
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ني كي
bank,
And next
بركان,
means volcano.
بو ر ك ك ني بركان.
Now let's join these letters together.
بو ر بر ك ك ني بركان.
بركان,
Here is how to write the middle form. Like
جبل.
means mountain.
ج ب ل جبل جبل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ج ب ل جبل جبل.
And next
قبل,
means before.
ق بي لا
قبل,
Now let's join these letters together.
ق بي لا
قبل,
And next
طبق.
means dish.
ط ب قي طبق طبق.
Now let's join these letters together.
ط ب قي طبق طبق.
And next
خبر,
means news.
خ ب ري
خبر,
Now let's join these letters together.
خ ب ري
خبر,
And next
طبلة,
means drum.
ط ب لا طب لا.
طبلة,
Now let's join these letters together.
ط ب طب لا.
طبلة.
When those exception letters come before the letter B, it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
ذبابة.
means a fly.
ذو ب ب ب هي ذبابة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ذو ب با به ب هي ذبابة.
And next.
مربع
Means square.
م ر ب عي مربع.
Now let's join these letters together.
م ر مر ب بع عي مربع.
And next.
ربيع
Means spring.
ر بي ي عي ربيع.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر بي ي عي ربيع.
And next.
عربي
Means Arabic.
ع ر بي ي عربي.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع ر بي ي عربي.
Here is how to write the end form. Like.
كلب
Means dog.
ك لي ب كلب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك لي ب كلب.
And next.
حب
Means love.
حب ب حب.
Now let's join these letters together.
حب ب حب.
And next.
كتب
Means books.
ك ط ب كتب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك ط ب كتب.
And next.
خشب
Means wood.
خ ش ب
خشب
Now let's join these letters together.
خ ش ب
خشب
And next.
عنب
Means grape.
عي ن ب عنب.
Now let's join these letters together.
عي ن ب عنب.
When those exception letters come before the letter B, it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example.
سحاب
Means clouds.
س ح ح ب سحاب.
Now let's join these letters together.
س ح ح ب سحاب.
And next.
شاب
Means guy.
ش ش ب شاب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ش ب شاب.
And next.
حرب
Means war.
ح ر ب حرب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح ر ب حرب.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Imayan. Free Arabic course.